Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you see so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something that I've just discovered recently that helps me take care of my detangled curls. Yes, you heard me right, detangled curls without re-wetting or restyling it. I'm super excited to share with you folks, and if you want to know how I do it, then definitely watch this video till the end and let's get started. This is like day 3 or day 4 hair and I haven't taken care of it at all. It's been in a bun since 2 days and while sleeping I just used a satin pillowcase, that's it. After day 3, my hair usually starts looking matted, frizzy and dry, and we can't really go ahead and detangle it because detangled curly hair looks even more worse and frizzy. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. There are some days where we don't have the time to redo the whole routine but just want a quick escape. That's when I use Biolash Smooth Proof, which is a professional deep smoothing 6-in-1 serum which smooths and controls frizzy hair. Now you must be asking, Shruti, what is 6-in-1? That means it provides 6 benefits for your hair. It controls frizz, smooths rough ends, protects hair from humidity, adds instant shine, nourishes dry hair, instantly detangles. I think I'm a suitable candidate to check all of these claims because my hair definitely needs all these benefits. So let's see if this serum does what it claims to do. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair first. Wish it was that easy. As you can see, this is how detangled curly hair looks like. Super frizzy, not defined at all, dry and dull. I'm gonna apply this much of the serum and smooth it on one side of the hair so we can compare it to the left side. As you can see, there is a clear difference. It's definitely not as frizzy as the left side. Does it look like day 1 washed curls? Absolutely not. But compared to what we deal with, the frizz is tamed a lot. If this serum can do this to curly hair, imagine how good it will be on straight or wavy hair. I'm going to do a quick ponytail hairstyle to style it for the day. And this is how it looks like. The curls are not looking frizzy at all. It's starting to get defined a little bit and there's a little bit of shine. It's not looking dry and dull. Love how the curls have turned out. I really like how my hair is looking on day 3. I love that this serum is super light, not greasy or oily at all. And it has avocado, grapeseed oil and frizz taming polymers to control the frizz and add shine. My hair does not feel weighed down at all and it's soft to touch. I also use this serum after my hair is dry to scrunch the crunch out and add shine and finish to my beautiful curls. You can also use it while doing different hairstyles for party. It's very simple. Just mix few drops of the serum into your hairstyling products and apply it to your hair and that's it. Your frizz and flyaways will be at bay and add shine to your hair. You can also use it after shower to detangle and avoid breakage. It's compact and travel friendly, so this is definitely coming along with me to tackle the humid weather. Now the serum does have frizz taming polymers which are silicones to help with the frizz, so I would recommend using a clarifying shampoo like Biolash Smooth Proof Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner to make sure there is no buildup. I like to use this shampoo as my clarifying shampoo to get rid of all the buildup and to give my hair a fresh restart, as it does have sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a very strong cleansing agent. And let me tell you, this range smells amazing. I'll definitely use this range when I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair straight, which is very rare, but I love to use clarifying products to make sure that I have fresh hair, no product buildup whatsoever. And you can use this serum before blow drying or straightening as well to make sure that your hair is protected from heat damage, and after styling as well to seal it all in and make sure that your hair stays frizz-free and lasts longer. Now you must be wondering, Shruti, how much is it for? The Biolash Deep Smoothing Serum retails for 300 rupees and you will get 100 ml of the product. And the Smooth Proof Smoothing Shampoo retails for 400 rupees and you will get 400 ml of the product, which is pretty good. Lastly, the Smoothing Conditioner will cost you 335 rupees only. for 196 gram of the product. I would definitely recommend you folks to check this range out for smooth, shiny and crispy hair, and I'll leave the links in the description down below. So that's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below which video you would like me to do next. And don't forget to subscribe, it really helps me out a lot and I would love to grow this channel even more. And you want me to make new videos, then help me out, help me grow this channel and make it even bigger so more of you guys would be a part of this family. And yeah, the comment shout out goes to Aditi Sherke. Aditi, thank you for your comment, it really means a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control.